Hey, what's up? I'm Russ with Plunge, a plumbing company, and today we're putting a tankless water heater in place of an old tank water heater that blew up. Now what I'm going to actually show you to do is proper way to put Teflon tape on. Super easy, right? Here's how I start it. I take my Teflon, I pop off the edge just to make it as straight as I can because a lot of times it gets stringy. Now, wrong way first. This is the wrong way. I put my Teflon and I have my line coming from here, coming over to here. What's gonna happen if I go to put my tape on that way? It's just gonna make my tape get longer and make a mess. So I don't wanna do it that way. There's a proper way of doing it. So let's get this back around here real quick. Oh, la, la, la. In fact, I'm just gonna do this. Bam, there we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it like this. That's how it's going to be, and then we're going to go ahead and that's going to put tension on it, and we'll go ahead and wrap this around. There's 1, 2, and you want to keep on the PVC for sure. Keep this very, very tight. It sticks easier to copper. This wants to slide off, but 3 rounds, that's great, especially with this monster tape. It's much thicker than your normal white Teflon. Now, putting pipe dope on. A lot of guys just smack this stuff all over. It ends up looking like total shit. We're not going for total shit here. We're going for making this stuff look right. So we're actually just going to take this pipe dope and we're going to put it just around the top edges. Some guys go crazy with this. You don't need it, right? So again, this is PVC, so we're going to put this in here. And PVC, you're not going to go cranking it super tight. So on this, we're just going to go hand tight, quarter turn. Make our threads look nice. Everything looks great. Let's take our rag, one little extra step, and we're gonna make it look pretty. That's how you put Teflon on.